What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. What up, burgers? Welcome back to another video. This video we're at the gym, baby. What up? Say what up to Michael.
What up, vlog?
I bet Michael say what up to the vlog. What we doing today?
We hitting legs. Heavy
What?
leg day. Heavy leg day.
I thought it was chest.
I hit chest yesterday.
I thought you said you hit legs yesterday.
It's chest day, bro.
Yeah, it's chest day, bro.
Bro, I literally hit it yesterday.
I hit legs the other day.
I hit legs yesterday.
Dude, it's heavy leg day.
Can you skip it and hit chest? How would...
So we said, oh, now we're at the bowling. What's your name?
Ty. What's your name? Joseph.
Alright, I want to change my name again.
I just got a strike. As you can see, right,
I'm winning.
here, Luke's about to go.
You'll get strike. You guys are blowing. I'm not.
Alright, wait, we are. What do you think you're gonna do here? Go.
Don't choke! Don't choke!
Behind me.
What do you think about your performance?
Well, if we take a look at elemental PQRSTUV, we are not doing so well. Clutch up.